The world believed Hollywood's biggest star was in love. The cameras believed it. The headlines believed it. Only I knew the truth. I was not his girlfriend. I was his assistant. And I was his last option. But the moment he pulled me close for the cameras, his hand firm on my waist, his voice low in my ear, I realized one terrifying thing. This love was about to cost me everything. Chapter 1. I work for Sebastian Bale. If you don't recognize his name, you have seen his face. Movies, award shows, giant billboards above cities I barely sleep in. To the world, he's charming, confident, untouchable. To me, he is chaos in expensive suits. I manage his schedule, his flights, his interviews, and his disasters. I fix problems before they explode. I keep secrets that could ruin careers. And I do it quietly. That is how assistants survive Hollywood. You don't shine, you don't dream, you don't cross lines, especially not with your boss. Chapter 2. It happens 3 weeks before Christmas. We are in a hotel suite in New York. Sebastian is on the phone, pacing slowly, one hand in his pocket. I can tell something is wrong. His jaw tightens, his voice drops. No, he says calmly, that's not happening. Then he looks at me, really looks at me. I already have someone, he says into the phone. My breath stops. I stare at him, frozen, as the call ends. What did you just say? I ask. He turns fully toward me. I said I'm in a relationship. My heart starts racing. With who? I whisper. His eyes don't leave mine. With you. Chapter 3. I laugh. It's sharp and loud and a little desperate. That's not funny. I'm not joking, he replies. You want me to pretend to be your girlfriend? I ask. For the press? Yes. No. He blinks. People don't say no to Sebastian Bale. Not directors, not producers, and definitely not assistants. I won't do it. I say firmly. I didn't sign up to be part of your image problems. He steps closer, voice calm but heavy with authority. This is temporary, until Christmas. That's not the point. He studies me, then says quietly, you're the only woman I trust. I shake my head. I don't care how powerful you are. I won't sell myself. For the first time since I have known him, Sebastian looks unsettled. Chapter 4. He doesn't chase me, but that's worse. The next morning, my contract changes. Promotion, higher pay, security detail during public events. I storm into his office. You think this buys me? I accuse. He leans back in his chair, completely calm. No, he says. It compensates you. I still refuse. His gaze sharpens. I didn't force you. You cornered me. A pause. Then he says something unexpected. I won't touch you without consent. I won't lie to you. And I'll protect you. I hesitate, and this hesitation is enough for him to take it as a yes. Chapter 5. The first appearance is a nightmare. Cameras, shouting, flashing lights. Sebastian's hand closes around mine. Firm, steady. Stay close, he murmurs. They can smell fear. I want to pull away. I don't. His thumb presses lightly against my wrist, grounding me. I hate that it works. Chapter 6. Sebastian, a reporter shouts. Is this serious? He turns toward me. His fingers lift my chin gently, but the intention is clear. Before I can speak, his lips touch mine. The kiss is slow, measured, claiming. My hands rise to his chest, not to pull him closer, just to stay balanced. His arm wraps around my waist, holding me firmly in place. When he pulls back, his forehead rests against mine. Trust me, he whispers. The cameras go wild. My heart does too. Chapter 7. That never happens again, I tell him later. He watches me closely. You did well. I'm not your actress. No, he agrees. You're stronger than that. You crossed the line there. I say angrily. I won't fall for you. A corner of his mouth lifts. Good, he says. I don't need devotion. I need control. The honesty unsettles me more than a lie would. Chapter 8. Days blur together. Flights, interviews, Christmas decorations everywhere. Sebastian starts noticing small things. You drink coffee only when you're exhausted, he says once. You watch exits in crowded rooms. I stiffen. You pay too much attention. He shrugs. It's my job. No, I reply quietly. It's mine. Something changes after that. He stops ordering, starts asking. Chapter 9. Snow falls outside the balcony in Aspen. You're dangerous, I tell him. He steps closer. So are you. His hand cups my face, careful, as if waiting for permission, even while holding me. And then he kisses me. Deeper, slower, harder. No, I whisper. He stops immediately. That moment matters more than the kiss itself. Chapter 10. I don't mean to listen. I stop only because I hear his name. Sebastian's voice is low, controlled, but tense. No, he says. The contract marriage is off. A pause. I agreed to clean my image, not to sell my future. After another pause, he said further. Yes, I know the press believes the relationship is real. That was the point. My stomach tightens. She was supposed to be temporary, he continues. A solution until Christmas. My chest burns. I didn't plan for feelings, he admits quietly, but I won't trade her for a deal. I step back, shaking. If that costs me roles, endorsements, or power, so be it. The call ends. I step back, shaking. A temporary solution. That is what I was. Even if he is choosing me now, I was never meant to be more than a fix. That night, I packed my bag. Chapter 11. Sebastian cancels interviews. He shows up outside my apartment. I was wrong, he says. I fold my arms. You don't apologize. I am now. But you control everything. I have lost the control, he admits. And that scares him more than losing fame ever could. Christmas charity gala, Sebastian takes the stage. There is no fake relationship, he says. No arrangement. The room goes silent. I choose her, he continues. Even if she never chooses me. The world watches Hollywood's golden star fall to his knees. For me. Chapter 13. You humiliated yourself, I tell him later. No, he replies. I humbled myself. I swallow. I don't like to stay under control. I don't want ownership, he says. I want partnership. I study his face. For once, there is no mask. Months later, the cameras returned. This time, I stand taller. This time, the ring is real. Not because he needed saving, but because we chose each other. The strongest love begins when power learns to kneel.